Alright, I know in some of my past videos I talked about some of the product I had out at CGC. I'm actually still waiting on 179 books to come in, but I got this little smidge of stuff back. This is not like major keys or anything, just kind of stuff almost for the heck of it, just sent out and had graded. But I figured, whatever, they came back, let's show them off, and here they are. So I went through a phase of getting a bunch of this Spider-Gwen stuff. This is a Midtown Scott Campbell. It's a black and white. Nothing on the back there. It's got Gwen, right there on the cover, of course. Came back a 9.8. Another Midtown one. This one happens to be the color version. Again, Scott Campbell. This was the 1 for 25 Spider-Gwen cover for number 1. So we got a few of these back. And I don't remember what this one was. It says Comics edition. I remember buying it online. I think it was on the same website where I bought the Scott Campbell Spider-Gwen one. So there they are. I don't know, I kind of have like buyer's remorse on getting so many of these things and just sending them out. I just went through a Spider-Gwen phase and picked them all up. But there they are nonetheless. I also got back this smidge of relatively modern books here. This is Venom number 1 from the Rick Remenda storyline where it's Agent Venom. Really like this cover actually, but it's the number 2 that I'm waiting to get back. That's the one that's the Spider-Man 300 cover, but it's Venom jumping around instead of Spider-Man swinging. Still, cool cover. I did send out, I think I sent out a couple of these in various different shows. So this one came back a 9.2 for the Suicide Squad. Nothing really significant about this issue, just a Suicide Squad 1. With the movie coming out, I thought, go ahead and do it. Same thing with this, just a lot of these books were more than just like, well, there happen to be movies and stuff coming out, so just send them out there for why not? I think the Infinity movie is called Infinity War, so I sent out this one. It does have the Ron Lim wraparound on there. I do like the fact in these encasements you can see both sides. It's pretty cool. Sent out a little smidge of these Deadpool, what's it called? The Circle Chase storyline, the first in his solo series. It's not a difficult book to get back in a 9.8. I mean, it's got a prestige hard stock cover, so I mean, it's really what you should expect when you're sending this book out. And that's it for that one. I did send out a chunk of Deadpools. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4. One came back a 9.4, which is kind of surprising again for the cover stock, but is what it is. I sent these out because I thought New Mutants 98 was the first appearance of Domino. It turns out it's this X-Force 11. It says here first appearance of real Domino. So I sent these out. I think I actually have more of these out there too. Neither one of these came back a 9.8. They both came back slightly lower. Still a really vibrant cover. Not a super fan of it or anything. Just jumping on the Deadpool train a little bit. So all this stuff is just kind of fodder for me to trade out for other things. I did go on a purchasing for myself, and these I just bought on eBay. I didn't have them in my collection. But I bought this. It's Aquaman 11. It's the first appearance of Mira. It fits into my trying to collect all the various Aquaman books that are out there, and I figured I might as well knock the keys out first. I think this was the last key I needed for the Aquamans. Not too bad. Not super excited by the cover or anything. It's I like some of the other Aquamans better. Again, I just wanted to target and take care of character appearances before I track down the other stuff. So I bought that. Then I have a list of like mega keys that I'm trying to finish off, or like start and finish off. So in that, I bought this book, X-Men 1. I thought, when collecting first appearance books, it's nice when you get like those books that are those twofers, the first appearance of Thanos and Drax, per se, like an Iron Man 55. So this one, though, you've got 7 characters first appearing, so that you can't go wrong with that. I can't even think of another book where you get 7 characters in a first appearance. Not a significantly high grade, but an affordable enough grade for myself, and again, just happy to have it in the collection. There's a slew of Marvel #1s I want to get, so don't mind that I now own this. Anyway, I just want to make a really quick video there, and I will catch up with you guys later. At some point, I want to make Lightning and put up the top 50 key books he had in the collection, and I'd like to make a video for that, but I really want to wait for some stuff to appear back in the mail. Alright guys, take good care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.